Demo Zomi. Good evening. My name is Larry Goodall. I'm the Senior Human Resources Manager with IC Bus of Tulsa.
Nitakpa kay pen Larry Goodall hina IC Basa Senior Manager mo in HR Alian pen hiing.
IC Bus manufactures commercial and our most important products, school buses.
Adia kina IC Bus EG penina bangjidia sumzon paizon na sang naw pang tesat moto tenget aki bawlna hi.
A vehicle that carries the most precious commodity, our children.
Atupi pen van laka na kepula atupi pen itate ituan na moto te ki bol hi.
Chuck Sibley, Director of
Chuck
Operations,
Sibley achi pen plan bupa kawadingina alian pen hi.
and myself are honored to be invited to this historical 70th recognition of the Zomi Convention, Zomi Nam Ni.
Zomi Nam Ni mo to again nagzakaw na Zomi Nam Ni achi pen mo tu khale zakole som lile gyat khit panakipan tu na som sagi veina Zomi te swatak na ai zong made Zomi Nam Ni aki bol som sagi na tuni na keile Chuck Sibley kaniuna nong sap manuna naktak pina ang tangin lungdamong kaung.
Zomi Nam Ni, which has been celebrated since February the 20th, 1948.
Tu khale zakole som lile gyat kum February som ni pan kipanina ong kipan to Zomi Nam Ni.
The day is observed as a day of deliverance, love, peace, unity, political retrospect, and remembrance of the history of the Zomi culture.
Zomi Nam te ingay na kip hoy le begdomoloy na nangan yilama tupi swa na kitutuak na to jang lung sim dai na zong and what else.
Political retrospect and remembrance of the history.
To jang ina swatang na mate lim le ipok det dinga ni tupi ni Zomi Nam Ni hi.
IC Bus proudly employs approximately 21% Zomi nationals full-time at our operation in Tulsa.
IC Basa full-time lianina mi za som ni lekhat val tang chinom na mi malina zani sanga tamzo thampen full-time na sem hi.
Zomis are considered and represented as trusted and loyal part of our overall diverse employee family.
Ei na sem kempel laka zong atupi mama la han cham mama telaka zomi te dong ki hel hiang.
We anticipate our population to grow and welcome more Zomi employees as we experience increased production in the next few months.
Mai khani khatum te zong bang chi de na se bong tam sem de nga zomi te dong tam piping pa yung lang sem ong nuak ngia thi ong muak hi ong chi be.
The Zomi population search for freedom from oppression, freedom of religion, freedom of speech, and strong belief in representing and maintaining cultural values.
Nam pile nam tu pi ihi nai zongina emite na bangchidia zomite pen hi kinen niam na suak tat lo na mo pau thei suak tat lo nai zongina biang na suak tak lo na te panina apai hia zomite hiang ching thei sak noming.
Mirror those of our forefathers during the American Revolution.
Hi American Revolution na kiti America te na nen niam na pan suak tang na anga de hun lai to kibang hi.
The legal separation of the 13 colonies from Great Britain in 1776.
To mangkang kiti Great Britain te khut noi panina colony som le thum gam state neu som le thum te so ta khun lai to kibang.
When we declared the United States independent from Great Britain rule of oppression.
US United States akiti gampen Great Britain akiti mikang mangkang te noi panina suak ta gam hiung che tang ko hun lai to kibang.
George Santana, a famous philosopher and poet, once said,
George Santayana achi bangchidia lungsim ngai su chi mi pil philosopher khadina
those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it.
Hun beisa apok thailo tu te pen siat na apiang sakik nam te hi chi he.
Through your devotion to maintain the historical significance of February the 20th, 1948.
Hi tang thua gui kip ahi Zomi Nam Ni ikep chin na hangina.
The unthinkable war crimes and atrocities against the people of Burma. You're teaching your children and others the importance of never forgetting the past.
Hun be sa ko gam sunga haksan na kitha na ki bor sian na te thupiang te naw pang te hila mangil lo ding ki hil na ina.
Standing up for what is right and just while preserving peace and harmony.
Dai na le kilung tua khop na kar suan na ding khoma din khop na pen to bang ngei na thupiang lui te mangil lo na jong hi.
We proudly support the Zomi culture and welcome you into our common desire for deliverance from oppression.
Borsele nengniam ni te I kiang panin suak tangia china mi khem pe lungul ahi lungul bangchidia chuhoi a lungul khomna kar suang khom ding hiang.
Belief in God Almighty.
Avang lian pasiat umina.
Living in peace and preservation of history.
Hun be sate kem chingina dai na sunga nung tain.
Thank you for this wonderful invitation to be a part of this very special day.
Hite khem pe bana zotuni na atuam takin hebang nong sap na hanguna nak tak pina lungdamung.
And with that, I would like to introduce Mr. Chuck Sibley, the Director of Operations.
Bas plan bu pa makai pi Chuck Sibley o zot samnomang.
Good evening.
Ni tak pa. Ngai zot away.
My name is Chuck Sibley. I'm the director of IC Bus of Tulsa.
Kay pen Chuck Sibley hing IC Bus director makai pi hing.
I am so honored to be invited to such an important event as the 70th Zomi National Day. Thank you so much.
Zomi Nam Ni asom sagi ve ni hiza ni tupi ni nong sap khang man nak tak pin ang tangin lungdaming.
From everything that's been said before, in spite of overcoming so many harsh times,
Haksan na tampidak kantan ki gensa te tampidak zakiniang.
the wonderful Zomi people have maintained such a spirit of strength, love, peace, and unity.
Toy manen hi Zomi te na to bang haksan na te put kitchang ina ta lungsim tha na ma te to chang dai na ai jong ki I re jong ki tu tuang nia ti na to kal swang hiu te.
When each of you came to this country, you gained acceptance by your hard work and kind heart.
Na lungsim hoi naw le na nasepna ma mo ni te I mai phanga hiu te.
You have done your best to learn a new culture and a new language. You have done your best to learn a new culture and a new language.
Ngei na nun tak thak le bang chira pau thak te nasetakina sinina bang chira zang the nai manuna.
That is so difficult by itself, but many of you came here without your families.
Hak sama makaringi hon khatte bang hile in kwan lo pito bang che hidana ki pai hi na.
You're a tremendous example of faith and strength in God.
Pasyan sunga upna le tahat na ilim tak tak hiu te chung gen noming.
When I first came here 3 years ago,
Tuma kum chum la hitaka tur sa kong pai chilina.
I was writing, at that time, we had about 40 Zomi employees.
40s. Tua lai na Zomi na sempen som li khong be ko mai ve.
I was out riding in the yard on a golf cart with one employee, and we were looking for a bus.
Lom ten na sepi te khat to tua golf motor ne te motor sunga motor songina ka va koi koi.
And I asked him, how long have you worked here? He said, 1 year.
Tole ma ke nga hey nang tu ni ta ka kumbang za sem ni yam kum khat sem khining ong chi.
So I said, do you like it?
Bang chi nom na salel na ka chi.
And he cried. He
Tole
started
akitu yok
crying.
luangin ong kap tangyal hi.
He told me, when I came here, I never dreamed I could have this life for myself and my family.
Ong geni na hita kong pai mana hidani na ka zi ka tate vak zoding le hibang ina na se phoi nei ding kilamen khalo hing chi ong chi hi.
He told me that IC Bus would always be in his heart And now he is in my heart.
IC bus pen kalung sim sunga tua zain om hi chip tu ma man ke tua pa mi tua nu pen kalung sim sunga om hi.
At that time I knew we have to have more.
Tua hun lai na bangai sun kom chile mi pen ki sam hiang chi hiu.
We now have 212 Zomi employees.
Tu lai takina zani var zomi na sem ne hiu.
They have improved our quality and quantity of our buses with their efforts to do what is right every day.
Nisimina nahoy aman adik sep na hangina nasepen pungzon bekdom luna van kibolte hoy zohi.
Many people have improved in their understanding of the culture by learning English as a second language.
Hon khaten zong pen bangche ei pau ni na adingina mang pau pen tampi ken sin hiute.
We currently have 21 people taking classes to better themselves and their families.
In quantering is amawading is som ni le khat bang in tulai takina ESL kechite mo sin hi ka hi.
Over the last 3 years, many Zomi employees have improved themselves. We now have many in positions of leadership.
In tua kum thum sung bang ina zomi te tampi tak bangchira khang to ina tun zong hon pi khat pen mate makai zong atuam to ina om hi.
Many of them are with us tonight. As I call your group, please stand up.
O kong sap le ong tin sak vo mo e basa te mo.
We have accountants,
Accountant zong omai ve omna sama gel ching omna.
engineers,
Engineer zong om yes upum mo siapum.
process technicians,
Process technician chinap bangchidia apua nam te mo.
welders,
Welder sem khong omilo mo khut khong lam ve woring ve wa.
auditors,
Audit chang no te khong lo mo audit ya ta ka mo.
and then
Van la sit te mo.
I don't want to forget. So anybody that works for IC Blessed, please stand.
I see basa sem pepeo.
Each of you are not only our fellow workers, you're our friends.
No pen na sem te be kilowina lom tak te hiu te.
And I want to encourage everyone here to keep moving forward, to build your life, to learn our culture while we try to learn yours.
Tohina hoi takin han chamina karswanina ko ten zong no zong hibang chida hidara idan izia tong te sin khop maban ko zong no ate zong sinding hiu.
And above all, I want to thank Kim Poo, my friend.
And tohina kimpu zong tunga lungdam kowing.
He's great. He does wonderful at work too. Very good.
Na sep zong hoi hi. I think some of the employees at IC Bus are afraid to wake up too early in the morning. That's why they want back at home. Maybe next year, probably they might get off. You know, probably.
We get up early. So, may God bless each and every person here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanga hoi loi mate isiapi pa o mama jong soi hoi samai
Sue toa bi chứ bé.
na gen ke o kamai zum
Thank
o
you.
jong thanga hoi mate
Himai. Thank you very much for the Senior Human Resource Manager and the Director of IC Bus. Thank you for having us, allowing us working at your Aeon or IC Bus or Whirlpool. We are very, very blessed to have you guys and we can work with you. Thank you very much for allowing us.